Vidyansh and Harshit are here to share experiences in JIS.
This school is a wonderful place to live in, where you get to stay with your friends and have fun with them. Here we get to learn how to live independently and do the things you need to do by yourself.
Our school has wonderful and caring teachers who care for us. They don't only teach us but also show us the right path of life. And adopt parents who also force us to study when it's time to study.
We enjoyed our time in grade 8. We had lots of fun with the teachers and our dear friends. But we are very sad because our teachers who taught us this year would not be teaching us for the next academic year. So we have to say them goodbye. I want to thank all the teachers who supported us for taking part in competition, for studying and for showing us the right path. So teachers, thank you.
Good evening, honorable present here. Today on the special evening of Sayonara, I would like to share my experience in JIS. In my old school, I studied state board and I was not used to CBSE. But with the kind support of all my dear teachers, I was able to cope up and get good marks. In Anil sir, Rupa ma'am's and Lipika ma'am's class, I often described as one of the naughtiest child. All the teachers even scold me, but I do understand the result out of it. The result is to make me a better person in my life. I actually can't describe all of you. I don't have words to describe it. But as we are running short of time, I would like to say three lines. Can you tell me the person who is selfless and works so we don't become worthless? It's none other than my teachers.
Good evening to my not present here. Today me, Vrishali, is going to speak about my experience in JIS. As like all the new students, even I had a number of mixed emotions: anxiety, shyness, nervousness, excitement, etc. But as I entered into the world of JIS, I was searching for a new life, a new beginning. I met various girls whom I thought would never be my friends, but now they are my best friends. After getting adjusted with my friends, I was also scared about my teachers, but even they are so good, understanding and caring. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that JIS gave me a good platform to build up my career. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today me, Nirali, is going to share with you about my teacher. Firstly, when I came, I was so scared and nervous that how will I cope, that what will I do and how will I cope with my teacher. But then, after a few days, I realized that teachers are very kind and loving to me. My government is also caring and loving to understand my other problems. I conclude my speech by saying that I am really thankful that I got a lovely teachers in my life. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. This evening is special as well as the time of sadness, as the time had come to leave all our sweet and beloved teachers. The journey of Vidya Block was very sad for few days, as we are all missing our parents who have taken care of us. I was worried that will the teachers will be unsatisfied of me? I was wondering that will I like this block or not? But after the experience of 10 months, I can say that this is a place home away from home. So, here the teachers live among us, they help us, they love us like their own children. So I'd like to conclude my speech by saying that this is the best place of happiness and affectionate, and I can definitely say that this place feels like an heaven. Thank you.
Good evening to Rana Prasanna. Today me, Yash, is going to tell my first experience in Vidya Block. My first experience in Vidya Block was over mine. It has been a journey which seemed years short. All my teachers are extremely helpful and kind to all. There is nothing like Vidya Block in all of JRS. teachers to give me this support to making me a good person. Thank you. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am Yas and my class 8 is going to talk about sports. Victory is the goal. Determination takes you there. So, sports. Talking about the sports facilities at JRS, those are excellent. We have tennis courts, big cricket grounds, bowling alley, hockey grounds, etc. As about coaches, those are excellent. There are about 50 coaches who ensure that the children are playing well and also learning fast. The school and the coaches also take us to many places and other schools for tournaments. The coach of JRS also ensures that no child is hurt and also that they are treated equally. Thus, I would like to conclude my speech by saying, winning isn't everything, but wanting to win is. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today I, Disha, is going to share my thoughts about JRS. JRS is a wonderful school. It provides all the facilities. It is the new world where we can achieve good personality and character. In this character, it provides excellent academics and sports. Here, teachers are supportive and students friendly. I conclude my speech by saying that I am very grateful to have an opportunity to be in this school. Thank you.
This is my third year in JRS. I, Monesh of 8th standard, stand before you to narrate my experience in JRS. I joined here in 6th standard and was promised that this school is home away from home. Now, this indeed proves to be right, as I feel this is my home. I feel I have improved in abundance, be it in academics, sports, cultural activities. My teachers here taught me to lead my life independently and meaningfully. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my experience of my 5 years in JRS. I was in 4th when I came. I was very homesick. But there was a teacher who counseled me everywhere. She was there for me everywhere. In 4th we had lots of fun, but we even had studies. Then after some years in 7th, I was the most naughty student of the class. Maya ma'am always used to correct me, but always used to also tell that I scored to my loved ones. Then in 8th, now after being 4 years in JRS, I had so much experience that Kumuda ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, Sharan ma'am, Lalita ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Maya ma'am, CEO sir, Sridhar sir, Divakar sir, Abhi sir, Apurva ma'am, Anika ma'am, Kumuda ma'am, Dipanita ma'am, Nancy ma'am, Naresh sir, Prabhu sir, everybody has taught me a very good lesson that how to enjoy your own life. Thank you. Last but not the least, the word of thanks. We all know every good things of life, every good events of life has to come to an end. So here I call upon for the word of thanks.
Every good journey of life has to come to an end, and thus, referring to the good journey here, we, Khush and Prerna, on behalf of the 8th standard, want to thank all the teachers, dorm parents and coaches for all their sacrifices. They showered immense love on us. We can never forget the fun we had, the time we spent, and the way you treated us like your own children.
We are immensely grateful to you for solving our problems, understanding us and caring for us. We'll always remember the way you pressured us, pampered us and molded us the way we are right now. And now, us going to a higher standard as good individuals couldn't have been possible without your love and guidance.
Whenever we were mischievous, you'd always smell a rat. Whenever we played pranks, you'd always let it know. This clearly shows how much we know and how much affection we share with each other. Thus, as we approach 9th standard, we'll carry all these glorious memories and charming moments eagerly with us.
Our hearts will be filled with pleasure and emotion, and eyes will be filled with tears. Even though we see and greet each other every single day, it wouldn't be the same without your teachings and affection. Lastly, but not the least, I would like to thank FMD and Sodexo for their support. Thank you.
Now I request you, sir, to share some motivational quote to the gathering.